Hi everyone, Martin here. Welcome to the Inner Loop. Well, what is it like to use Microsoft Paint on Windows XP? I thought for the channel I'd make a new logo and show you the power and flexibility and the amazing features of Windows XP and Microsoft Paint. So please enjoy. Thanks ever so much for watching. I'm planning maybe to make another video about the awesome Windows Movie Maker, and if you remember that, crashing almost continuously. But if you want me to try do any other Microsoft XP experiments, make a comment below. But thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Inner Loop.